Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be doing a design that I saw on Pinterest, and right now I'm just shaping this square tip into a stiletto. So here's the design by Liz MacArthur, and I think it's really cute, so I really want to do my own version of it. So after shaping the tips, I roughen them up because I'm going to be applying gel polish. For these nails, I'm going to use this brush that I got off Shein or something, and Beetle's gel polish and Model 1's base coat. And I'm mixing the color with a base coat to turn it into a jelly color. And when I did this, I started with blue, and I should have put more color than I put base coat, but I ended up just doing a second coat of it. After all of that is done and I applied all the colors, I'm wiping them off with alcohol, and any alcohol will work. 70%, 90%, don't matter. Any alcohol will work to get the sticky layer off of gel. So instead of like the straight nail bed, I wanted to do an ombre instead, and for this first nail I was struggling, but the rest of the nails I had an easier time doing. Now I'm going to be using these stars that I got from Romwe or whatever, something like that. And I'm going to just be putting them like, I don't know, like in a zigzag sort of way. After this, I'm going to be using some colored gems, like pink for this nail, and then for the rest, all the other colors. And then I'm going to be using some clear crystals, some like clear AB gems, and that's it. After I apply all of my decoration, I'm putting a little bit of clear so that when I cap these nails, that all that stuff that I put on the nail don't move. This is how they're looking after I encapsulated them, and I did the filing off of camera, and I thought I did it on camera, but I didn't, so you won't be seeing that. Now I'm wiping over the nails with some acetone, and then I'm pretty sure after this I just went straight into top coating. And when I'm top coating, you'll see how they look glossy, and then I cure them and then they'll be matte, and I like it a lot better than the glossy. So here are the finished nails. I think they came out cute, and I'm going to be showing them in the sunlight too, and they look even better in the sun.